It's time once again for The Law and You, featuring the area's premier attorneys, Ed Ciarimboli and Harry McGrath. Good to see you guys.
This is exciting.
We're here at the virtual center.
I know.
It's our first time together.
Our first time.
I'm very excited. You both are matching with the plaid today.
How about it? Well, you're classing us
very
up,
fashionable
obviously.
here.
Obviously.
And we do have a question today from Will in Dunmore. Let's get to that. He says, I had work done on my car at a local garage. I left the garage and the tire came off the car. I hit a tree and sustained some significant injuries. The garage won't pay my bills. They are saying they don't have a warranty policy.
Well, yeah, this is a pretty interesting question. So, Will, you know, the fact that the garage doesn't have a warranty policy, that doesn't matter. The garage can't do the work in a negligent fashion. If they do the work in a negligent fashion, the tire, obviously you're there to have work done on your car. They have to do it in a manner so that the tire does not come off when you leave the garage. So the fact that they're telling you we don't have a warranty policy, don't worry about that. If you have a case, it's going to be against them for negligence in the repair of your vehicle. I'm going to let Harry tell you a little bit more about what you're going to need to do specifically to make sure that you can proceed with the case, but that's generally speaking what you're going to need to do.
That's right, and you know what's going to be especially important in this situation is notice, because who knows what kind of records this garage is going to keep and whether or not they're going to have the documentation, or any records for that matter. Yeah. So getting them on notice that you're unhappy with what occurred, that you're considering a lawsuit, and making them aware they need to preserve all of the evidence is going to be very important to make sure that if there is an ability to recover, you can do it.
And when Harry says preserve the evidence, so you're going to need the tire, you're going to need the car, you're going to need the receipt that you paid for the repairs, you're going to need the invoice. All of those documents become really, really, really critical if you're going to be able to move forward in a case like this. And because you do have significant injuries, that's what you want to do. All
right, great information and advice there. Ed Ciarimboli and Harry McGrath, thanks so much for being here.
You killed it today.
Thank you. My first time. We'll have more with you guys later. And don't forget, check them out online. And results matter with attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Harry McGrath.